Hello everyone. In this video, we'll explore how to create a mathematical plot using TikZ and PGFPLOTS packages in LaTeX. This will include labeled axes, plotted lines, and highlighted points. Highlighted points making it a great example for anyone interested in mathematical visualization using LaTeX. First, we define our document class as article and load the required packages. Tickets for drawing and PGF plots for advanced plotting capabilities. These packages allow us to create precise and high quality mathematical visualization in LaTeX. Inside the tickets picture environment, we began by drawing the coordinate axis. The axis extends from minus zero point 0.5 to 7 and y axis ranges from minus 1 to 5. Both axes have arrow tips to indicate the direction. Next, we add the tick marks along the x-axis from 1 to 6 and along y-axis uh, from minus 1 to 4, labeling each one accordingly. Now we draw colored lines to represent key relationships in the graph. The green vertical lines are drawn at x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 2.5, extending from the x-axis up to y is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2.5 respectively. Similarly, red vertical lines at x is equal to 3.5 and x is equal to 4.5 extend upwards to their respective y values. Then we plot the blue diagonal lines. The first line passes through the points 0, and 3, 3. And the second line extends from 3, 0 to 6, 3. These lines might represent mathematically functions or relationships. To make graph more formative, we mark some important points using filled circles. The red points represent key data points along the red lines, while the green points highlight values along the green vertical lines. We also add labels such as x dash naught, x dash xn, and f of x naught to indicate specific points and function values. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the more latex and tickets tutorials. Thanks for watching.